In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a LinkedIn group. Whether you're aiming to build a community for professionals in your industry or create a space where like-minded individuals can share ideas and collaborate, creating a LinkedIn group is a fantastic way to foster meaningful connections. Let's walk through the process together so you can get started right away. First, to begin, open your web browser and navigate to the LinkedIn login page at linkedin.com. Once you're there, you'll need to log into your LinkedIn account. In the login form, enter your email address and password associated with LinkedIn. Now, if you've used alternative methods before, like Continue with Google, Sign in with Apple, or Microsoft Login, you can choose those options instead. These alternate routes are convenient if you prefer signing in with a click. After entering your credentials, locate and click the Sign In button. If you've set up two-factor authentication for added security, LinkedIn might prompt you to verify your account. In such cases, simply follow the instructions to input the code sent to your registered phone number to proceed. Now that you're in your account, head over to the My Network tab, a pivotal hub for your LinkedIn connections and affiliations. On the page, keep an eye on the left side of your screen. You'll find a section labeled Groups. Click on this section, which is your door into the world of LinkedIn groups. This action will take you to a new page dedicated to groups. Look towards the upper right corner for the Create Group button. It's time to let your creativity shine. Clicking this button will usher you into an area where you can initiate the group creation process. Here you'll find a form where you need to fill in the essential details about your new group. Think about the name that best represents the group's identity and purpose. It's also a good idea to craft a concise description that outlines the group's objectives and who it's intended for. These details help prospective members understand what your group stands for. Lastly, once you've ensured every field is accurately and thoughtfully filled out, take a final moment to review your information. Everything looks good. Great, click on the Create button, and congratulations, you've just made a LinkedIn group. Now you can start inviting contacts, posting valuable content, and facilitating discussions that spur engagement within your professional community. That wraps it up for today's guide on creating a LinkedIn group. Thanks for tuning in and happy networking.